Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your channel GetAssist. And in today's video, I will tell you how you can create creative Instagram stories by using a simple app. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end.
So let's start the process. First of all, download this application Story Templates for FB or Instagram from Play Store or from App Store. Once the download is completed, open the application. Now once the application will be open, you can see there are plenty of templates are given already. You just have to select your favorite template out of these templates and just tap on the template you want to edit. For example, this. Now I'll select my photos and you can see this story has been created. You can edit your texture as well. Now the second way of creating a customized story is that first of all you need to tap on this plus icon, then go to the selection of the colors. Once you have selected the color, select the texture. Now you can select or add any photograph as well. The app will ask you about the frames and all. If you want to add frame, you can add frame, and if you don't, you can discard the frame option as well. You can zoom in, zoom out the picture, and also you can use these options as you can see in the bottom of the application for making more and more creative.
So in this way, you can create a very creative stories or post for your Instagram. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.